Hello, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back. And we're going to be cracking open this little nut. This is a huge Promethean box set made for Wild West Exodus from WarCradle Studios. And we're going to be making up this stuff, and I figured this would be great for Necromunda. So I'm going to jazz it up a bit, grunge it up, and do all sorts. So let's pick this box open. Let's start having a look at this. So this is the biggest one by far, and this is, what does that say? Promethean Refinery. So that must be this whole thing. Yes, that is quite a sizable thing. So we won't be starting with that one. Bloody hell, it'll take ages to make up. This one is a good bit smaller. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets, I think, and that's the Derek, which will be that thing. This one's slightly more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what one's this? That's the walkways, which will be this one here. Oh, this is a big one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the Promethean Forge, which must be this thing. And here's a small one, nice and tiny. Mine entrances, so that's these ones here. And they're probably going to be great for Fallout as well. Man, a lot of nice details. You get all that kind of riveting. Very nice. So yeah, I think we'll start off with that. See you again soon. Hello there, and we're back. And here it is, all assembled. Took about half an hour to make up one of these. And yeah, it's alright. Certainly not perfect, because the door can open inwards quite easily. Trying to open it up outwards, and you can see the door hits against this piece here, which you are supposed to put there. These are kind of decorative things that it doesn't say they're optional. It definitely is in there in the instructions. These bits don't exactly align correctly either, which isn't really ideal. And then there's this big extractor kind of fan thing at the top, which no, I'm not overly sold on, because again, you get lots of, you can see all the little, you get this bloody camera to focus. You can see there's lots of blocky bits there, obvious slots. So that's a regular one. This is the one I've done up. So, as we look on this bad boy, I've added a piece of, lots of card on the trims to hide a lot of these, you can see it more closely there. It's kind of a big gap. These parts are from the police roof station thing from the TT Combat Kit. That's a sign from the takeaway from the TT Combat Kit. And these parts here that I've added underneath, that's some more just MDF sprue frame, and then of course some card. Along the edges here I've added some MDF sprue frame, as well as some plastic sprue frame there as well, to act like gutters and just to give it a little bit of greeble and taste. I've added on some molded pieces here. Yeah. Anyway, see you again soon. Bye. Hello again, and we're back. And here we go. Here's it all done. Now this is as per the picture there, so it's got all the full assembly, everything's all on there. And we've added lots of textured paint. We've added this green stuff here, which is plumping foliage, I believe is the term. Got a tub of this stuff here. Of course, it's homemade. All it is just shredded sponge with PVA glue and green paint. pretty effective, and yeah, highly recommend making your own or buying it, whatever's easiest. Well, makes sense to you. Also added on some tufts. Now I've got a tub here. This isn't the original tub. I've switched tubs because I wanted to use the other tub for something else. Warpainter.net, Warpainter Scenics range of tufts, and this was 500 strong. It's got a few less now, but highly recommend this. Really good. You can get them on eBay, no problem. So I've added all that, and yes, I'm quite pleased with the result. I think it's turned out rather nicely. One thing is, though, because I've gone with this over-the-top rusty look, which is mostly stippled white paint and then other colors on top, and yeah, it's obscured all the door details. But as you can see on this one here, by comparison, we've got all those door details, and you can probably, I don't know how well you're going to be able to pick up on that. Yes, you can see them there. And all we've done is just added a few little highlights and lowlights there, just a few accents, just to give it some more depth. And everything really pops on this one. Really happy with how it's turned out. Not had to add on anything, well, not too much extra. Yes. Very pleased with these results. So I'll be able to use these for Fallout and all sorts of games as Fallout shelters, or we could use them as the mines for going underground. Quite happy with. Well, of course, what video would be complete without Poppy? Hello, girl. How's life? Really? Oh, you should have said sooner. Cute little cat. Yes. What are you doing? You trying to work out? Oh, and whilst I'm here, might as well have a look at some of these orky builds and things I've made. Turns out I've made quite a lot of them. You're not wrong, Poppy. Anyhow, see you again soon. Whoa! Bye.